Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Orange County in central Virginia, city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 20 miles west of Fredericksburg, or 12 miles southeast of Culpeper, and was moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Stafford, Fauquier Creek. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, doors to security buildings in Sterling, Virginia has issued a report. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for eastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, central and Arundel County in central Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Mitchellville, or near Bowie, and was moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Prince George's Stadium, Bowie, Londontown, Roll, Road River, Annapolis, Mayo, South River, Galesville, Shady Side. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park and stay in your vehicle or abandon your vehicle and lay flat in a low spot. This tornado may be wrapped in rain and hard to see. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Anne Arundel County, Maryland.